How many of you believe there has to be momentum in life? If you've seen it moving train, even if it is moving that 100 kilometers per hour, it's so difficult to even come near it because you'll be blasted away from that speed, right? But imagine that kind of momentum you have in your life, how beautiful it would be. If you've never been in momentum, then maybe you've lost something in life because you've not experienced it. But if you ever tasted the momentum of life, trust me, आपको वो बोलते हैं ना कि एडिक्शन हो जाएगा लाइफ में, जैसे जीतना किसी को एडिक्शन होता है. सो आई वाज अ पर्सन, एवरी टाइम आई वांट टू विन इन माय लाइफ. बचपन से लेकर आई एंड माय ब्रदर यूज्ड टू फाइट फॉर एवरीथिंग. वी यूज्ड टू प्ले क्रिकेट आल्सो. फॉर एवरीथिंग माय मॉम एंड डैड यूज्ड टू टेल, किरण व्हाई डोंट यू लेट योर ब्रदर विन. वो अंदर से आता ही नहीं है, जीतना तो जीतना है. So those kind of, what is addiction comes when you have when you taste something good. So momentum is something similar to it. Today I will share 3 important points which will help you to understand how can you build the momentum and sustain it for a longer period of time. So the first point, pretty simple and very powerful, is to have clarity of what you really want in your life, is to have clarity ki where do you want to go. So to give you my own example, initially before meeting Vijay, before meeting Bharat Supra, before meeting any of you, I always had a desire to really impact. I always had a desire to go to a level like how Dhoni or Sadhguru, all these big person are creating impact. I always had a desire कि यार इतना खतरनाक तहलका मचाओ दुनिया में, अगर मरोगे भी तो मरोगे शान से मरोगे. Even today if I die, regret नहीं होना चाहिए life में should be never regret. And that kind of dreams I used to have, and how will I channelize those dreams into reality? That was always a problem. So the first thing is that to have a mission in your life. If you have a mission, then trust me, nothing will touch you. Your immune system will be proper, your mindset will be proper, depression will never come to you. You will be always excited. You will sleep for 4-5 hours, but you will always feel energetic. मतलब आपको कुछ छू ही नहीं सकता. And that phase of your life will be always temporary. It will never be permanent. So when you are in momentum, things will be so super fast clear. So first thing is to decide what you really want out of your life. That is where this wheel of life, everything will come into the picture. Okay? The second is take a decision, because once you have a clarity of what you really want, if you don't take a decision to start somewhere, then it'll actually create a guilty feeling towards you. I think a lot of time initially I used to feel कि किरण यार मुझे कुछ health का कुछ करना है, but I used to never focus. Then I used to find, what can I do which can make my health better? So I used to always love sports, so I used to play sports regularly. Now Bharat Supra and Bharat is leading this health club and all. It is always, it creates a pull for me कि चलो भरत आज सुबह भी कर रहा होगा, कल सुबह भी कर रहा होगा, let me just join. So that thought is giving me a lot of pull for me. So if I don't have a mission in my life, I won't get that pull. So first thing is have a mission, and while you have a mission, take some action, take somewhere. Do not compare with anyone else. So this is where I took my action. So how did I take my action? Almost 3 again. Before I met Vijay, before Vijay gave me these 4 books which Vijay had asked you, which all are be recommending, I was very intentional of implementing the knowledge. For me, it was very particular कि I was very pathetic in reading books. I always hated reading book. But अगर मैं book लिया हूँ, विजय ने बोला कि अगर book नहीं पढ़ के apply नहीं करोगे तो life में उतना impact जो तुम सोच रहे हो वो create नहीं कर पाओगे. And if you really want to create that impact, you have to find a way to implement. And that is I was super hungry to really implement. And I realized at that point of time I was not someone who was like Steve Jobs or maybe Elon Musk or Bill Gates. Already they have clear-cut idea and all this game plan is there, and they have to just keep implementing it. I was pretty clear, but I knew ultimately what I really wanted. So while I was talking with Vijay, building relationship, and while focusing on my education, I was very proactive in reaching out my coach. So first thing initially, after I was reading, I was getting all those uneasiness in my heart. No man, something is not adding up. I have to apply somewhere. Things are becoming more theoretical. After 2 to 3 months of learning, I realized, I again went back to Vijay and asked Vijay, Vijay, I really want to implement something in my life. How would you help me to get clarity? What should I do then? Where should I start? There's another second important question came. If you take a decision to start, you will get some opportunities. And don't worry about opportunity as long as the core values is fine. See, as long as opportunity will teach you, give you the foundation of your goals and aspiration and dreams, which is what even Robert Kiyosaki shares in this first, I think, 5 chapters. Ultimately, wherever you want to go, you have to go anyway. But once the opportunities comes by to you, take it, however it is, and make it work. So I was more in that mindset. Vijay is offering some opportunity with me. Let me not take it lightly, because Vijay is someone who is super impactful. Let me use his knowledge. Let me use the association Vijay has created and shape it for my life. And that is how I jumped in. I didn't think much ki, something will be wrong, how will I do it, or how will I arrange funding for my dreams and aspirations. Everything, so many challenges were there, but the end output was always exciting. And then I started applying the knowledge. And the second point of momentum is again leading by example. So you first take a mission, take a decision, and lead by example. So whatever you believe, you have to lead. Leadership is nothing, it's not talking, it's more of action. And that is the reason I love sports, because sports, if you play, your personality comes in. If you play any sports in your life, you cannot hide your personality. Your personality will be in the mirror image, and people can actually know what kind of personality you have. It could be Dhoni, Kohli, or anything. Kohli is the aggressive personality, Dhoni is a calm personality right now, but he has a better leadership capabilities. So sports was something called leadership example. When I started working on my idea, I had to work on my communication skill, I had to work on my people management skill, I had to work on my sales skill, I had to work on my marketing skills, I have to also master few technical skills as well. It could be video editing, it could be anything. So all these things has to be learned. Nobody was there to just spoon fed me ki acha you learn this and it'll happen and results will come. We don't know if results will come, but still we started applying. And the best part is that when you have a coach and mentor whom you can really blindly trust, you can just put everything, whatever it takes. And that is when the results won't come initially for sure. Again, it took 2 years of time, putting tremendous amount of effort every single day. And after 2 years, I could actually feel the change within me. It is more of a mental change. And that is when I realized that I can actually achieve all of my dreams. So this is the second point. The third point is that inspiration. While you want to build and sustain the momentum in your life, you always need a continuous source of inspiration. People actually don't have problem of putting a lot of hard work. I am sure most of you are in some job or doing some work in your life, and hard work is never excuse for yourself. But the only challenge is the inspiration part, and that is where the 1% of inspiration was needed continuously. So if I'm high in momentum right now, maybe someone will take my high momentum vibrations and take inspiration from me. If I'm in low momentum right now, maybe I'll take inspiration from Bharat if he's in high momentum, of Supra, or any of you who are in very high momentum in life, rather than going in very sulking in one mode. So the third and final point is take inspiration, and that is where Peak Impact Mentorship, all our association, communicating with coaches, mentors, Bharat, Supra, all these things will be very, very essential for you, because you'll realize these small things is protecting you. It is protecting your big dreams which you are aspiring for.